Hello, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we'll be playing Earthquake IO. So let's begin. Probably only gonna do like 2 rounds. It's probably gonna be an ad that's gonna be like, hit me with your best shot. Something like that. Gotta get all of these. Oh, some fences over here. Perfect. Okay, gotta go where the neighborhood is. This yellow earthquake is following me. Okay, get all these cars. I'm gonna be really good once I have all these cars. Get your goo out, ooh la la. Get your goo out, ooh la la. Oh, some stores up here. Okay, good. Gotta get, oh yeah, some of these. That's good. There we go. Quick. I hate those clicking sounds. Whoa, don't fall backwards. Gotta get some houses. Or houseies. However you want to say, man. There's that yellow earthquake. Oh my god, that one got big. Second place, not bad. I wish it was. Ad! Sorry. I like to not get copyrighted, and that's why to not get copyrighted on your YouTube video, like if you're doing a story review, you just have to talk over something really loud. Same with ads on a phone. If you're doing like a gaming channel like me, you do have to talk like really loud, make sound effects so you don't get copyrighted, which I haven't get copyrighted, but well, I have twice, but those were only for 2 YouTube videos, which both of them were Roblox. One was Fast and Famous, and the other one was, trying to think. Oh, that drawing, remember when I did that drawing game video for Roblox? Yeah, I got copyrighted doing that. Get you, but I can sing stuff like this. Get you, ooh la la.
If you ever find it... Fish and chips is a British thing. But Southern Hush Puppy breaded fish strips with fries. That can only be Arby's, Governor. Arby's, we have the meat.
Don't go in that. Get away from that.
I asked a ton of people on my Discord what they would do if they're bored, and I'm going to show you all of those ideas right here.
Well, you know what they say.
You can do when you are bored is
Time to end the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Have an awesome day. See you guys next time.